This is a cover of Jason Mraz. I won't give it. I look into your eyes. It's like watching the night sky. Oh, a beautiful sunrise. How so much they hold. Just like them old stars. I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? I won't give up on us, even if the sky gets rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. And when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what she says. 'Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We gotta learn to learn. God knows we're worth it. So I won't give up. I don't wanna be somebody who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make a difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we gotta learn to stay. Living in your ship, my friend, the last we did is time for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn, we had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I've got, on all I've got, and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the sky gives up. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, still looking up. I won't give up. It won't enough. Enough. That ain't enough to learn. God knows we're worth it. Won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up.